this video, we will evaluate the integral of sec²x divided by 3 plus tan x dx. We will follow a three-step simple approach, which is first, we will think of a relationship between the trigonometric terms in the numerator and denominator. Second, we'll think if we can use the substitution rule or we can use the formula that I have given here. And then we integrate. So let's get started without wasting any time. Looking carefully, I can see that in the denominator, I have tan x, and in the numerator, I have sec²x. And I know that the derivative of tan x is sec²x. So I have a clear relationship between sec² and tan x. Next, what if it is tan x plus some constant? We know that the derivative of a constant is 0. That means this 3 doesn't matter. That being said, we can write the given integral as the function, which is 3 tan x, and the derivative of this function, which can be written as 3 plus tan x dash dx. So derivative of 3 plus tan x, which is actually sec²x, divided by the function itself, which is 3 plus tan x dx. That means we have this expression in the form f dash x divided by f of x dx. By using this formula, we can write the given integral as log base e 3 plus tan x plus c. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.